Hey there. Ever felt like your energy is just off? Maybe you're experiencing stress, fatigue, or even hormonal imbalances? Well, today I'm diving into how Reiki can balance your chakras and hormones so you can feel aligned and vibrant again. First up, let's talk about chakras. Chakras are energy centers in your body, and there are 7 major ones. Starting from the base of your spine, we have the root chakra, moving up to the sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and finally, the crown chakra. Each of these chakras corresponds to different physical and emotional aspects of your being. When one or more chakras are out of balance, it can lead to physical ailments, emotional issues, and yes, even hormonal imbalances. So, how does Reiki come into play? Reiki is a form of energy healing that channels life force energy through the hands of a practitioner to the person receiving the treatment. This energy helps to clear blockages and balance the flow of energy throughout your body. Let's break it down chakra by chakra. Starting with the root chakra, located at the base of the spine, this chakra is all about stability and security. When it's balanced, you feel grounded and secure. Reiki helps to release any blockages here, reducing feelings of anxiety and stress, which can impact your adrenal glands and cortisol levels. Next, the sacral chakra, located just below the navel. This chakra governs creativity and sexual energy. When balanced, it promotes healthy reproductive organs and hormonal balance. Reiki can help release emotional traumas stored here, aiding in the regulation of hormones like estrogen and testosterone. Moving up to the solar plexus chakra, located in the stomach area. This chakra is about personal power and confidence. Balance here can improve digestion and metabolism. Reiki can help alleviate stress-related issues, which often affect your insulin and other metabolic hormones. The heart chakra, located in the center of the chest, is the bridge between the lower and upper chakras. It's all about love and compassion. Balanced heart chakra energy can promote cardiovascular health and emotional well-being. Reiki can help to release grief and sadness, fostering better balance in hormones like oxytocin. Then we have the throat chakra, located at the throat. This chakra governs communication and self-expression. When it's balanced, you have clear communication and healthy thyroid function. Reiki helps to clear blockages here, supporting better thyroid hormone regulation. Next, the third eye chakra, located between the eyebrows. This chakra is about intuition and insight. Balanced energy here can enhance mental clarity and perception, which can affect your pineal gland and melatonin production. Reiki helps to clear mental fog and enhances intuitive abilities. Finally, the crown chakra, located at the top of the head. This chakra is all about spiritual connection and enlightenment. When balanced, it promotes a sense of peace and higher consciousness. Reiki can help you feel more connected to the universe, which can have a calming effect on your entire hormonal system. By regularly practicing Reiki, you're not just balancing your chakras, but also supporting your body's natural ability to regulate hormones. It's all interconnected. So if you're feeling out of sync, consider giving Reiki a try. It's a gentle, non-invasive way to bring your body, mind, and spirit back into harmony. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into balancing your energy and enhancing your well-being. Until next time, take care